Yes, there are manufactured products designed specifically for strapping NM cables to wall studs. These straps typically consist of a metal or plastic strip with preformed tabs or hooks that secure the cable. Some examples include NM cable clamps used to hold one or two cables side by side, NM cable staples used to secure cables individually, and NM cable straps with eyelets which allow for multiple cables to be bundled and attached to studs using screws or nails. Some product recommendations are Thomas & Betts NM cable straps, which are plastic, Ideal Industries NM cable clamps, which are metal, and Panduit NM cable staples, which are metal. The National Electrical Code (NEC) requires that 10M cables be kept at least 1/4 inch, which is 6.4 millimeters, away from damp or wet surfaces, including concrete basement walls. This is to prevent moisture from wicking into the cable and causing damage or shock. Some methods to maintain clearance are: firstly, use NM cable spacers or standoffs designed to hold the cable away from the wall. Secondly, bundle multiple cables together with electrical tape or cable ties and suspend them from the studs using insulated hangers. Thirdly, use a running board to mount the cables on the wall, which provides a raised surface to maintain clearance. Although regular pipe strapping can be used to secure NM cables, it is not designed for this purpose and may not provide adequate clearance from damp walls. It is recommended to use manufactured products specifically designed for NM cable installation to ensure compliance with the NEC.